Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Honda CB1000R. This superbike, upright standard, beautiful condition, only 1,750 miles. It's got a nice little flash screen on the front, awesome sounding Yoshimura Alpha exhaust system, 1,000cc inline 4-cylinder, really cool looking steampunk style, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Come by, make your upright standard dreams come true. This awesome CBR 1000R, only $10,499. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.